Welcome to this tutorial. Share your real-time location with others in Google Maps. Ever needed someone to find you quickly without endless calls and confusing directions? This video shows exactly how to share your live location using Google Maps. Let's go straight to the phone screen and activate it. Open Google Maps on your phone. From the top right corner, tap on your profile picture. From the menu that appears, tap on Location Sharing. On the Location Sharing screen, tap on Share Location. From the Duration panel, select how long you want to share your live location. From the Contacts list, choose the person you want to share with. From the bottom right, tap on Share. That's how you can share your real-time location easily using Google Maps. Wasn't that quick and easy? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.